Like, share, and subscribe my channel.
Today we are understanding the fundamental building blocks of life through comparative cell biology. What is cell? Cell is the basis unit of life and also smallest functional units, serving as the building blocks for all living organisms. Every cell contains genetic material and can carry out essential life processes independently. From microscopic bacteria to complex multicellular organisms, cells demonstrate remarkable diversity in structure and function whilst maintaining core biological principles. Defining animal cells, structure, and function. Here is a short breakdown of the key components mentioned. Cell membrane, the security gate that controls what enters and leaves the cell. Nucleus, the brain or control center that holds the DNA and manages all activities. Mitochondria, the power plant that creates energy for the cell to use. Organelles, a general term for all the specialized structures like those above that work together inside the cell. How does here or inside the cell? Tensodetiopar. There are polyDiRNA inish, DN, defining plant cells, structure and function. Here are some key features of plant cells, which are distinct from animal cells due to several specific structures. Here is a short summary of the main points. 50. Rigid cell wall. This outer protective layer provides structural support and protection to the cell. Chloroplasts. These green organelles are responsible for conducting photosynthesis, the process used to produce food. Large vacuole, a central storage compartment that helps maintain cell pressure and stores essential nutrients. Rectangular shape, plant cells typically have a fixed, box-like structure that provides stability to plant tissues. Key difference, cell wall and chloroplast. The key differences between animal and plant cells. Both are eukaryotic cells, meaning they contain membrane-bound organelles such as the nucleus and mitochondria. Here is a short summary of the main differences. Cell wall. Plant cells have a rigid cell wall made of cellulose, while animal cells only have a cell membrane. Chloroplast. Plant cells contain chloroplast for photosynthesis, allowing them to produce their own food. Animal cells lack chloroplasts and obtain energy from external sources. Shape. Animal cells are typically flexible and irregular in shape, whereas plant cells have a fixed, rectangular shape due to their cell wall. Key differences. Vacuoles and centrioles. Differences between animal and plant cells regarding vacuoles and centrioles. Animal cells, vacuoles multiple and small, used for storing waste and temporary materials. Centrioles, present, assist in cell division and the formation of spindle fibers. Plant cells, vacuoles, one large central vacuole, occupies 90% of cell volume and maintains turgor pressure. Centrioles, absent, alternative structures are used for cell division. Other distinguishing features: shape, size, and energy storage. Shape variations. Animal cells display round and irregular shapes, allowing flexibility. Plant cells maintain fixed rectangular forms, providing structural rigidity to the entire plant. Size differences. Plant cells are generally larger 10100 micrometers compared to animal cells 1030 micrometers, with the large central vacuole contributing significantly to their size. Energy storage. Animal cells store energy as glycogen granules. Plant cells store energy as starch granules, reflecting their different metabolic strategies and nutritional requirements. Cellular processes. Respiration versus photosynthesis. 1. Animal cell. Respiration consume oxygen and food to produce energy through aerobic respiration in mitochondria. 2. Plant cell photosynthesis. Use sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to create glucose and oxygen in chloroplasts. These complementary processes form the basis of energy flow in ecosystems, with plants producing food that animals consume and both exchanging gases through respiration. Why these differences matter? Adaptation and survival. 1. Environmental adaptation. Cell wall protects plants from harsh conditions, whilst flexible animal cells enable movement. 2. Energy independence. Chloroplasts allow plants to produce their own food, reducing dependence on external sources. 3. Structural support. Large vacuoles maintain turgor pressure, keeping plants upright without skeletal systems. 4. Reproductive strategies. Different organelles support diverse reproduction methods in multicellular organisms. These structural and functional differences reflect millions of years of evolutionary adaptation, enabling organisms to thrive in diverse ecological niches and fulfill distinct roles within ecosystems.